So here, this one, all of them are inactive. So you will see here, it's inactive. This one inactive, and this one is inactive also. Okay, so you need to activate first this one. Next, put the password. Okay, activate. Then need to do HCP because you are connected with LAN. Okay, this is the IP. Okay, next. So this one, time zone, it's up to you, you will change or not. Okay, next. No need to enable Wi-Fi since you are connected with LAN connection. Okay. Then this device is not showing in the list. Okay, so you need to activate this one using the PC. Okay, so this one, need to activate this one, put the password. Okay. Activate, so you need to refresh. Okay, enable the DHCP because the IP is not the same range. Enable this one. Okay, now activate. Now IP show. Then go back to the device. Here, reviews. Next. Okay, now comes. Okay, next. The vendor extension. No need. Enable it, connect. Okay, finish. Okay, now configured. So okay,
the door is open.
and then for calling, since this is room number 1, the default one is press 1 and then call. So it calls. Okay, but if you call this one,
Please try
connection exception.
Please try later.
So you need only to call this screen using call button only. So all you have to do is access the IP of the device. Okay, put username and password. Okay, and then here the call settings, this is the default. So once you press room number, then call icon, it will call the indoor. But if you want only the call instantly, put the room number here and then save. Now check the device. If I press this one, calling, but the room number
Busy line.
again, it will not work now anymore. Will work.
Busy line. Please try later.